Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add someone on a Google Chat or how to find someone on a Google Chat. Okay, first of all, you can open your Google Chat application on your phone. Then if you want to find someone on Google Chat, you can click on the search button right here. You can click on search in chat and make sure that you type the email address of someone you're looking for. And for example, I'm going to find this account. Make sure that you input the correct email address. Okay. All right, and now the account has been founded. This is the account that I'm looking for. Then we can click on the account to start chatting. Okay, and we can send a message right here. Okay. And I guess that's how we can find someone on Google Chat. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.